Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft PowerPoint on a Mac computer. Tutorial 19, add custom animations to your presentation. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft PowerPoint. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go down to the dock, go to Finder, go to OneDrive, locate the file which is work.pptx, double click on this. In the meantime, we can minimize Finder for the moment. Now we have the presentation on screen. The purpose of this tutorial is to add the custom animations which are available in, let's go to animations, go to slide 1, go to Computer Science Videos, the title. Now let's click on blinds. And when the presentation is presented, which we will do now, that will be the custom animation for the title. If we click on the image, let's have an appear custom animation. Let's go to slideshow. Let's play from the start. Enter the title, the image, and so on. Let's go back to animations. Let's go back to transitions. Let's click on the first slide. Click on none. Apply to all. Let's go back to animations. To animations. If we are to remove some animations, we would click on number 1 or number 2 or whatever the number of animations you have on the presentation slide. We can remove these custom animations if we wish to. Now let's present the slide. As you can see, there are no custom animations or transitions as we have removed everything. Let's go back to slide number 1. Go back to animations, click on the title, dissolve in, click on the image, dissolve in, click on the name, dissolve in, go back to slideshow, play from start, enter, 1, 2, 3, there we go. So we can now quit PowerPoint, and so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.